If you're running a WooCommerce store, choosing the right hosting is crucial. So is Cloudways good for WooCommerce? The short answer is yes, it's a solid choice. Cloudways is a managed cloud hosting platform that lets you pick from top cloud providers like DigitalOcean, AWS, and Google Cloud. This means you get powerful, scalable servers optimized for speed and reliability. For WooCommerce, Cloudflare offers one-click app installation, so setting up your store is quick and easy. Their servers use advanced caching, SSD storage, and built-in CDN support, which helps your WooCommerce site load fast. Very important for customer experience and SEO. Cloudways also provides automatic backups, so free SSL certificates and strong security features to keep your store safe from threats. Their team offers 24/7 support via live chat, which is great if you ever run into issues. One thing to keep in mind is that Cloudways doesn't have a traditional cPanel. It uses its own custom control panel, which might take a little getting used to. Overall, Cloudways is an excellent option for WooCommerce stores looking for performance, security, and flexibility without the hassle of server management. If you want more WooCommerce hosting tips, hit like, subscribe, and check the description for useful links.